In order to add your own wallpaper to lock screen magazine on OPPO Reno 15, we need to go to Settings. Next, in Settings, we're going to choose the home screen, lock screen, and style option. And we're going to swipe up from the bottom in order to open this section over here. Now we're going to go to the lock screen settings, and then here we have the lock screen magazine. If it's enabled, you can go to the carousel wallpaper settings, and then in here we have the customize wallpapers option. So we can add a new wallpaper. You can go to add from photos in order to choose your own image, your own picture, and of course then we have the wallpaper. You can still adjust it a little bit, I assume. Or actually we cannot really adjust it, unfortunately, but we can remove the selected wallpaper, or you can tap on edit over here in order to also select a wallpaper and remove it. And also you have the carousel mode, so you can, for example, choose to show only customized wallpapers, so only wallpapers of your choice. Leave a like and subscribe.